Eto na, inilabas na ng PBA ang pinakalegit na final lineup ng Barangay Ginebra. So sino-sino nga ba itong napasama sa final lineup ng Barangay Ginebra San Miguel? So dito nyo nga yan malalaman. Pero syempre bago ang lahat shoutout muna sa mga solid nating ka-teammate na sila Ruben Dolor, Hansej Guapo, Gerald De Guzman, Eduardo Placer, and Gervin Chris. So nilabas na ang final lineup ng Barangay Ginebra para sa 49 PBA Governors Cup. Kabilang nga dito sila Maverick Ahamnesi.
But I'm sure he's gonna get tired soon because he has not played in a long time. But shape is still different from being shape, as these players will often tell you. Ahamnesi will have it top of the key. Mav against CJ, he loses his defender. Ahamnesi converts from deep.
Jeremiah Gray.
That is important defensively. One option really is to go for the steal, and the other one is to disrupt the rhythm of your opponent.
Hindi siya ganun ka-explosivo in terms of scoring this tournament as Jeremiah Gray punches it through.
RJ Abarientos. LA Tenorio.
Numbers, Malonzo to Tenorio for 3. Yes! LA for 3. Money.
Paul Garcia. Scotty Thompson.
It provides stability for the starting unit, and then you have a super scorer in the Plana coming off the bench. But he's gonna be playing a lot of minutes, and he will definitely be finishing this ball game. Scotty repulls to Christian, hand off to Scotty. 2 seconds to shoot. Someone will have to put it up, and Scotty beats the buzzer with a one-hander.
That's just a lot of talent really from Scotty Thompson.
Jan Pinto.
Pinto with a good move. Knocks that one down. A lot of attention goes to Scotty.
Isaac Go.
Certainly he's also playing inspired.
Isaac Go trying to follow that up, and he gets that the ball.
Literally the last guy you want to leave open if you're the defense of Terra Firma. Holt versus Marcio. Isaac Go looking for a touch, turnaround jumper. Woo! What a shot from Isaac!
Well, he knew there was no more time left.
Stephen Holt.
Sino could only watch as Castro made that difficult shot to get the lead back for TNT. Holt wants to tie things up, and he gets it with another jumper. Battle between 2 first-round overall picks. Now Holt attacks the defense of Rondial and scores with the left hand.
And you know, that's a veteran move. 7 seconds left, and looked at the shot clock.
Ralph Koo.
It was a team that was playing very, very loose, right? They were pressured, at least in the early parts of the conferencing. Outside to Malonzo. In the open court, finds Koo. Koo for another 3, yes!
Von Pesumal.
Points of turnover 17-6.
Wow.
And the turnovers of Meral only 7 this whole game.
Down by 3 points, 26-23. Christian on the move, off the spin. Sets up Pesumal from the corner. 3-point shot.
Raymond Aguilar.
Sila Jason Ballesteros.
Tama. Ano na, natapos na yung mga karera nila, but those guys are still plugging away. Much as this guy, you know.
Felix coming off their own timeout. Showing him how it's done.
Jason David.
He needs experience to get into to the level of guys even like Pinto and Ro. Oh, get away. David,
all alone. Gets it a goal.
To the corner. David hits that long one.
Japet Aguilar.
All you see is the rim, right? When you see an opportunity to score, you try to take it. As Pringle will set it up, Japet will slam it home. On defense, the forward pass to LA, and then Pringle, and of course, it's showtime with Japet.
Benedict Adamos.
Taking those shots, that is the type of offense that he runs.
That's the difference between him and so many others. The ability, the confidence to take and make those big shots, especially at crunch time.
43 points in the first half was far too low to their liking. Back to you guys.
That's a very good point. But look at this, a breakdown in the...
And itong kanilang import na si Justin Noipy Brownlee.
Yung bata pa ito, ha? Oh, look at that move by Brownlee. Money! Money!
Already.
It's doing most of the hard work against Nicholson in this game.
That was from the get-go. That was from the start of the game.
Okay.
Hindi nakabagin sa'yo or na-late sa'yo.
Okay, that's
So
the answer.
disciplinary action.
All right. Okay.
Whoa! What a recovery by Justin Brownlee!
So yan nga, sa ngayon, eto nga lang po muna ang ating sports pasada, and thank you for watching guys, and God bless everyone.